Jack here, and I've got with me the Beyond Tech replacement 6-pack Peep Touch label tape. This is the TZe231 tape, 12mm 0.47 inch laminated in the white color for Brother P Touch type label makers. I've got my Brother P Touch here. It is model number PT1010. It is not included, but I want to talk about my experience using this tape from Beyond Tech versus the standard stock OEM tape that you might buy from Brother. So all things considered, physically speaking, and in terms of the cassettes, everything here looks identical, no issues there. I did go ahead and print out 2 test strips for you to look at. The first one is made with the standard stock Brother tape. The second one made with our Beyond Tech tape. And when I look at these, I honestly do not see any difference whatsoever. The top one to me is a little more cream colored, and the bottom one, the Beyond Tech tape, is a little bit whiter and brighter. That's pretty cool. In terms of the detailing of the letters, I think it's nearly identical. I'll give you a closer look here. I do think it's nearly identical. Both of them feel the same thickness. They feel the same adhesive strength. They both feel super sticky, and they will not stick on fabric, but they will stick on any hard flat surface, and the tape does end up being waterproof, which is really nice. Very easy to insert the tape. All you got to do is remove the back of your label maker. Again, it might be different depending on what model of label maker you have, but for mine, the PT1010, this is how it works. There's a little diagram on the inside, which is really nice. I did have this in to print the test strip already, so we're gonna go ahead and just insert this again, like so. Press it in until you hear it click. Perfect. And then we'll go like this, close it up, flip it over, turn it on, and you should be good to go. We'll go ahead and print that again. Awesome. Now this is a 6-pack, so you do get 6 different cassettes here. They're all the same color, they're all the white color. They do come individually wrapped in cellophane plastic bags, so that's really nice. They'll stay nice and sealed until you're ready to use them. But all things considered, for what you get, I think this is a great option. The Beyond Tech 6-pack P-Touch label tape. This is the TZe231 tape, 12mm 0.47 inch for Brother label makers. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good one.